The 6-inch motion sensor slim downlight offers an advanced lighting solution with sleek design and energy efficiency. Equipped with a motion sensor, this LED downlight features 3 motion sensor modes, with the light being on for an interval of 30 to 120 seconds, allowing you to customize lighting based on your needs and preferences. The light is also dimmable with 5 selectable color temperatures to adjust and choose from, along with customizable sensitivity and time delay settings. Installing the LED downlight is quick and easy. Simply cut a hole in your ceiling to size, securely connect the downlight to the power supply, fold the spring-loaded brackets in, and push the light up into the hole. Designed for durability, it operates reliably in various temperatures for long-lasting performance and features an advanced driver for stable, flicker-free illumination. With our industry-leading warranty and knowledgeable support team, you can trust that you are in good hands. Sunco, lighting made better.